Look how it just follows me around. Hello everyone, on today's episode of What I Found on the Internet, today we are going to be reviewing this 360 degree object tracking holder. I hope it's showing on the screen. And basically it's supposed to follow you around when you're filming. So if you have no friends and no family, lonely, get this. You don't need anybody if you have this. Actually, I am going to unbox, review and test if it's actually true and if it actually does what it says it would do. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is exactly how it looks like. And well, I think I lost the instruction manual. It's supposed to rotate whenever you're moving, and here this is where the battery case is. A lot of people don't know how to open this. It's not actually hard. This is how it is. You just screw it and pull it out. And now we have to place the battery. The battery it uses, it's a 3AA battery. So we're going to place it in like this. Yeah, and then screw it back on. So first of all, let me show you its features. You can put this thing like this. You can rotate it to any angle you want, vertical or horizontal. And you have to screw this at the back to tighten it up. It can rotate this way, it can rotate that way, it can go up and it can go down. And this is the power on button, and here you can screw it onto a tripod. Now to connect it to your phone, you're going to receive a QR code in the manual. If yours does not come with a QR code, I'm going to leave the QR code on the screen, and yeah, you can scan it with your phone and continue with the connection. So when you get it, you have to scan this QR code. If you don't have a QR code scanner in your phone, I have one in the link in the description box, but I have it, so I'm going to scan it, and then you're going to open this link here, and it says iFollowUpro. Then click on Android, translate. I will translate it, but if your phone does not have that option, just do what I'm doing. Click on download via App Store. Click on download. I mean, it says file might be harmful, but at this point you don't have a choice, because if you don't download it, you can't use it. So might as well just download it. You only live once. And then open it after you're done downloading. And then click on install. It says unsafe app, so it's warning you again, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. So click on install anyways. And now I have to put my pattern. Close your eyes. Click on don't send, because you don't want it to be sending you useless apps. So when you're done installing, you click on open. Click on allow. Follow what I'm doing. I don't know the meaning of it, but I know that that's the direction we have to go. And you have to look for iFollowUpro. So go down here, scroll, and now this is iFollowUpro. So click on iFollowUpro. Click on settings, allow permission, and then go back. Don't install any other thing. So if it shows you any other thing, don't install, cancel. The only thing you have to install is iFollowUpro. So click here, cancel. Like I said, don't install any other thing except iFollowUpro. Cancel everything. Click here, agree. Now this is iFollowUpro app here. Click on it. And now it says welcome to iFollowUpro. Click on go. And now we have to connect it to the Bluetooth of this gimbal. Now if you want to turn it on, it's on now because the red is on. All you need to do is just click on it for like 2 seconds and this red would come on. Once this red comes on, then it's turned on. Now go to your Bluetooth settings. Turn on your Bluetooth. So you have to look for this iFollowUpro Pro. Mine is already connected, so I don't need to connect it. But once you open Bluetooth, it's going to scan for this gimbal here, for this tracker. So that's why you have to make sure it's turned on. Once it's turned on, you're going to see it here. Then click on it and it would pair. And when you're done, you click on done. And now if you click on search, confirm, allow, now it's ready. So you're going to wait for it to show ready here. Once it says ready, then you're done. Then go to camera, confirm. You have to give it permission to, yeah, done. Now go to camera again, and now we are there. So now mount it on the, by the way, once this blue light is on, it means it's connected. You see how it's rotating? It's following me everywhere. I'm going to show you a bigger picture outside, so I'll take this outside and show you how it actually is. So if you want to take a picture, you can take a picture like this and click on this. Let's go to settings. I want to put it to enable auto selfie and see if it will just automatically keep taking selfies of you.
Ready to take a photo. 2, 1. Start taking pictures. Ready to take a photo.
So you see it's automatically taking pictures.
Start taking pictures. Ready to take a photo. 2, 1. Start taking pictures. Ready to take a photo. 2, 1. Start taking pictures. Ready to take a photo.
I really like this.
2, 1. Start taking pictures.
So it just keeps following me everywhere and taking pictures of me. So we have to stop that.
Start taking pictures.
If you want to stop it, you can go back to settings and disable. You can also oh no, sorry, and yeah, disable here. You can also disable this voice helper, but I prefer it on so that I'll be sure of what I'm doing. So I'm going to enable it. You can also increase this gesture sensitivity, camera zoom sensitivity, so it can track a person, a dog, and a cat. And yeah, and another thing I like about this is the filters. This filter here makes your face look really smooth. Look how smooth my face is. The only downside to this is that if you go too fast and you go off the phone frame, it will not be able to track you anymore. So it's going to be stuck in one place. So in whatever you do, make sure you're still within the phone frame. As long as it can see you, it can track you. But other than that, it works well. It does what it says it to do, especially for the price. If you want to get this, the link will be in the description box. And now that you know how this works, I have an announcement for you. If you're a content creator or someone who owns a business and still creates content for your business, did you know that you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, and even full-on client projects for free using this free software that requires no subscription? It's called P. Now with Photoshop and Canva and other graphics design tools, it actually costs hundreds of dollars every year, but with P, it's totally free. But unfortunately, not everyone can use it. Not everyone understands how powerful this free tool is, and that is why I've created a detailed walkthrough course on how to use it. I'm teaching you how to use every single tool in this software and how to master the use of P to create stunning graphic designs. So if you're interested in this, the link will be in the comment section. This is beginner friendly. You know, all my tutorials are beginner friendly. This course would save you hundreds and thousands of dollars, so might as well just get into it now. The link to this course would be in the description box, as well as the link to this tool if you're interested. And yeah, till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okoli. Bye.